guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Grace, and today's video, I just really want to give you some information of what's coming up in Mackenzie Childs. Now, I do want to make it clear that I have no association to Mackenzie Childs whatsoever. They do not pay me. They do not sponsor me. I am not affiliated with them in any way, shape, or form. I come to you, or I share things with you because I am a fanatic for the brand. And so any opinions that you see here are totally my own. As you all know, we didn't have a barn sale this year. They just had a sale, but it was online. Or I should say, they did have a barn sale, but it was online and in the store, but not a tent sale like we've seen in past years. I believe that it's going to be that way moving forward. And saying that, last year they had the first annual Artisan Festival. Now, I went last year and I'm telling you, I enjoyed it so much, and I experienced something that I had never experienced in a barn sale, and that was the opportunity to paint with a one-on-one Mackenzie Childs Artisan. Listen, you can't beat that, right? That's an opportunity of a lifetime for a Mackenzie Childs fan. Now, this year, they are going to have the second annual Artisan Festival in the Aurora location, just where the old barn sale used to be. This year is going to be the second annual Artisan Festival. A little birdie told me, don't quote me, but a little birdie told me that this year's festival is going to be 3 times bigger than last year. Last year was pretty good. Well, for 3 times as much, hello, I'm in. If you're wondering what the Artisan Festival is, right in the Mackenzie Childs location in Aurora, and then they have their tents with their sale, which, you know, I'm anticipating big moments for me this year. And also they have many local artisans from Aurora, New York and surrounding areas. You know, jewelry makers, you name it, they're there. It's wonderful. They have food trucks, they have music. I don't know how they're going to do it this year, but how it worked last year is that you waited in line, just like the old barn sale, and then you get wristband and then you go in. In saying that, even though this is outside and you've got the tents and the vendors outside and the property is huge, they still don't want to overcrowd people in there. They want people to enjoy themselves and take their time and browse, and everybody still has an opportunity to go in. And then once you shop, you pay for your stuff, and then you're able to go, and then more people come in. That way everybody has equal opportunity. They really look after their customers. I don't know what to tell you. The staff there are amazing. Of course, Rebecca will be there. I just may or may not, I'm not sure, but I may or may not be having tea with Rebecca. I don't know, just putting it out there, right? And then I may or may not be painting something with a one-on-one artisan. I don't know, I'm just saying, I may or may not. You'll have to stick around till the festival, and then after the festival, I will have the videos. So many of you ask why I'm doing this. Well, I do this because I love the brand. I love it. It makes me happy having pieces in my home that when I look at it, it just makes my heart sing. I always feel that going to Mackenzie Childs feels like a kid going to Disneyland. Like right now, I'm waiting for September 29th. And I can tell you, I am so excited and counting down the days. But it's just like somebody who loves Disney so much or is looking forward to going someplace that they absolutely love, and they're so excited and counting down the days. That's how I feel. That's why I talk about it. That's why I do these videos. Listen, I don't want to lie to you. I want to be realistic here that, you know, stuff is pricey. I mean, I can't afford a lot of things there. I can dream about them, but I can't afford them. But, you know, I have been blessed where I have an extremely large collection, and that's okay. That makes me happy. You know, even if I had one piece, it would make me happy, because every time I look at it, it would put a smile on my face. For any Mackenzie Childs fan, that's what it does to you. Isn't that cool? You come here and you learn something. I want you to have fun when you come to this channel. And I do DIYs because Mackenzie Childs inspires me to no end. A lot of my DIYs are Mackenzie Childs inspired, right? Watch my videos and I want you to envision yourself doing it. Because this channel is to inspire you to do something you love. It doesn't have to be Mackenzie Childs inspired or Alice in Wonderland. I want to inspire you that if you see a boring old table and you can spruce it up into a white or a blue or a green, whatever the color may be, I want you to do it. In this channel, you're going to see that I make mistakes. And when I do the best I can to fix them. I do it for fun. Anyway, I won't bug you, so I just wanted to give you that little update on Mackenzie Childs. So don't forget that if you want to go, that's again September 29th to October 1st, second annual Artisan Festival. So book your times off work. You don't want to call in sick. Anyway, that's it for now. Have an amazing week. Take care of each other. Be kind. And always remember you want to reach a point in your life when you say remember when and never ever I wish I did. I love you guys. Thank you for sticking with me.